Step into the vibe, oh yeah. Feel the rhythm rise high, we're living life. Let's fly, off tap life. Sky's the limit, no shy. Off tap life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another reaction request. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing, joining the family. We'd absolutely love to have you. All right, guys, look, we got a reaction request here from Uncle Rock. What's up, Uncle Rock? Thank you for the reaction request. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a great week. And Uncle Rock wants to hear Jimi Hendrix Machine Gun. His shout out says Band of Gypsies live at the Filmore East. And we did some Jimmy not too long ago, a few weeks ago. It was super awesome, so I'm looking forward to this one. So without further ado, from me, from Uncle Rock, and all of you, let's get off tap. Just quickly, this is already a vibe, man. Like, I've just totally just enjoyed this, like, just the instrumentalness of it so far. Like, I'm sure he's probably going to put some dope vocals on in a second as well. But this right here, this is a vibe. This is what you call real music. This is what you call a vibe. I've enjoyed it. Nothing like the classics, man. Let's go. This is not real footage, man. Like the kids and everything. Like, I hope they didn't just show like kids that are dead, did they? Oh my gosh. Like, I'm pretty sure this is from the Vietnam War. If it is like actual footage from it, that is nuts. Wow.
Evil man, make me kill ya. Evil man, make you kill me. Fight like a
listening to this music, and that's what I'm really attempting to focus on, because like, you know, those images, obviously, man, it's pretty disturbing stuff, you know. Like, my dad fought in Vietnam too, man. That's crazy to know that he fought there, that he was, it's just crazy. Why do we need war? You know what I mean? Why can't we all just get along? It's just madness, man. Like, just crazy planet we live on. So I'm attempting to just focus on the music, man, because the music, yeah, it's he's talking, man. He's singing, he's preaching, man. He's working it, man. Like, true OG goat status. This is what a real goat looks like. This is what a goat looks like.
Say, where you shoot me down, baby. You'll be going just the same, 3 times the pain. And you're on self to blame. Hey, but she gone.
to wait until the solo in it, because you know you get in trouble when you like interrupt a legend's freaking guitar solo. I learned that a long time ago. One time I just got excited. I was in the moment. I was like, I think it was like maybe Brian May or something like that, Queen or something was going on. It was a guitar solo, and I interrupted it, and I was told very, very clearly in the comments by multiple people, "You don't do that." And I was like, I didn't mean to. I just got excited in the moment. So yeah, I attempted to find the right part, because I don't, you know, I don't want to be interrupting greatness. You know what I mean? I don't want to be that person, because this is so good. All right, I'm gonna let him finish cooking.
'Cause I know all the time you're wrong, baby, and you be going just the same. Yeah, she does. Carrying my family on board. Yeah, all right. Carrying my family on
Take a moment to appreciate the dude on the drums, man. He's killing those drums, and now listen to those vocals. Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
He's been shot down to the ground. Oh, where he can't survive. No, no.
Yeah. That's what we don't want to hear anymore, right?
No bullets.
The opening act, the closing act. You don't want to be before Jimmy. You don't want to be after Jimmy. if he's performing, you just want to be like, yo, hey, I'll just wait till another time when you ain't going to be there, because you can't follow that. You can't follow that. How are you going to follow that? And how are you going to open for that? You ain't even going to open for that either, because if you open for it, you're screwed. If you close for it, you're screwed. You open for it, he comes on, he blows you away, you look stupid. You try to follow that, you ain't going to be able to be on that same level, so you're going to look stupid. Like, I'm sure most people realized that it's not a good idea for them to be on the same bill as Jimmy. Like nah. Like, who's going to be there? Jimmy Banks? Hendrix. Oh, Jimi Hendrix. Oh, okay, yeah, you know what? I think we not going to do that. I think we just might just give that a miss. It's crazy, man. Like, you know, just that type of real amazing just talent, you know, generational talent. You hear me say it all the time, generational talent, man. It's like something crazy though. Like in that particular generation, there was multiple talents that were just freaking just killing the game. But you can't have a conversation about the greats of the greats, the true goated goats of all time, without having Jimmy's name enter the conversation. Now, you know, it's kind of one of those hard things, because I talk about goats and the greatest of all time and the icons and iconic, legendary legends of all time and all these different things. Who's the greatest of all time? It is a very, very difficult conversation to have, because there's arguments on all sides as to who this person should be and that person should be and whoever should be. And let's just appreciate them all for what they gave us, the gift that they gave all of us that just is timeless, you know, generations past and present and to the future get to enjoy these amazing, beautiful works of art. The body of work that they left behind is second to none, and some of the most incredible stuff that we've ever been able to listen to on this planet. Jimi Hendrix, you can't fault him. You can't say anything except for the facts that this is what true GOAT status looks like. You know, it's one of those things, man. It's one of those things. People throw the word GOAT around all the time. Oh, that's the man. He's the GOAT. She's the GOAT. GOAT, 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 eagle, GOAT, GOAT. But in reality, not everybody is really the GOAT. You know what I mean? There's only a few real GOATs. Hello, Jimi Hendrix. Congratulations for actually being a real GOAT. I love that you guys request stuff like this, because this is the stuff that, like, I would never find. You know, you guys find this stuff, you know, maybe you lived it, maybe you just came across it yourself and you wanted to share the love. Doesn't matter how you got there. It's the fact that you did get there and you was kind enough to share it with the rest of the class. So I want to thank all of you guys for your reaction requests. Thank you, Uncle, for this right here. Was a fantastic action request. I really loved it. Really loved it. And you know, you can't go wrong with Jimi Hendrix. But you know, you listen to those vocals, you listen to the guitar playing, and you absolutely instantly realize that some people are playing on a whole different level. There's levels to the game. There is levels, man. I mean, levels. He's at, you know, he's like God tier level, you know. If there's levels up, this is how good he is, you know what I mean? And you got to respect and appreciate that, because the OGs that led the way for all these other amazing acts that we love today. If it wasn't for the OGs, we wouldn't have some of the greats that we have now. These are the people who inspired the current crop of amazing rock bands and rock artists. These are the guys. So you have to pay them homage. You have to show them love. And if you don't have ear holes that work, that would be the only way that you wouldn't realize just how dope this is, you know. So I don't know, man. If you just, and that's sad to think that you missed out on just this incredible performance. And I was like missed out. Like, again, I've said it so many times, but if I could build a time machine, geez, how many stops do I have to make back during this period of time, man? Because oh my gosh, like they were just freaking playing like for keeps. Messing around back then, man. You gotta bring it. If you were on any bill at any of these places, the Filmore, you know, legendary place, we've reacted to other acts at the Filmore a few times and stuff. You had to bring it. You had to bring it.
Dude, I almost had you.
All right, then guys, so thank you so much for tuning in to another awesome reaction request. Really appreciate it. And you guys can do your own reaction requests as well. The link is in the description below. So go ahead, show me your goats. Show me your goat list. Show me the things that you grew up listening to or that you discovered along the way that you think that we all would love to hear and appreciate. Because I'm telling you right now, there's so many amazing gems like this out there, and if you guys know where they are, share them. I want to know about them. Thank you guys. Thank you, Uncle Rock. Thank you all for tuning in. I appreciate and love you all. Hit that subscribe button on the way out. Give me a thumbs up. And as always, remember to always fullest, keep it off tap. Off tap out.